Hey there! In this quick guide, today I will show you how you can make YouTube banners for your channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Canva app and search for YouTube banner. So now as you see, there are so many options, but I will suggest to make a new one. So just go to create blank. The new tab will open. We need the rulers and guides here, which is already turned on mine. Go to file and now click on view setting. If I click on it, it's gonna disappear. In this way, you can enable your ruler guides. Let me enable it again. And now what we wanna do is click and drag the ruler. The first guide we want at 2074 and then at 523. The second guide will be 523 and there we go. Alright, and the next one at 483. I will write these down below in the description if you wanna make sure that you are doing it right. And then the last one is 1008. Okay, so anything we put in this area will show up on all devices, on computer and tablets. So first thing, I don't like this white color. So click on elements and just search for bubble gradient. Once the result came out, click on graphics and select the image and fit it in the frame. Now go to elements and let's search for rectangle. Click on graphics and let's choose a funky rectangle. This one. So remember the rule to work within this rectangle. So let's adjust it here. Now the next step is to add text. So go to text, select the first option and let's add your channel name here. The next step is to change the font. So let's search for Aprila, click on it and now your font is changed. Adjust it. Once it is done, again go to text and click on subheading and now here I am just typing subscribe for tutorials. Now let's change its font too. So click here or you can change the font according to your choice. I am just choosing this handwriting and adjust it. Now again go to text and click on the last option and now type new videos every day. So now the next step is to add your photo here. Click on elements and search for frame. And choose this simple round frame, decrease the size and adjust it on the side. Let me do it in fast forward. I have created a tutorial on it. You will find the link in the description and you can go watch it to see the steps. Let's say this is our channel and we want to upload the banner here. Let's upload it to see how it looks like. If the content helps you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!